Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've done an apartment update, so for today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a little more in-depth of what I've been doing so far to my apartment. But before we're gonna get into any of that, I wanna thank you 3M for sponsoring this video. This is a 3M cloth dry wall picture hanger and it can hold up to 65 pounds. The one I'm holding right now is a 25 pounds and I do have the 65 pounds one that I wanna show you guys. As you can see, I do have a lot of gallery wall art in my home and almost all of them are held by this little thing right here, which is kind of crazy. So first, I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate my gallery wall art using the 3M claw drywall picture hanger. I also recently just got a full body mirror, so let's go hang her up. One of my top tips, especially for renters who need something more renter friendly, is using the 3M claw drywall picture hanger. It also comes with a spot marker, which may hang things up even more effortlessly. All you have to do is find a spot for your object and then use your finger to push it in. No hammer needed. I mostly use them for my gallery wall art since they're super simple to use, but not only that, I also use them for heavier objects like this mirror and a large canvas. For my mirror, I use the 65 pounds one, but for any other objects, I usually use the 25 pounds or the 45 pounds. So if you're a renter like me and wanted to start decorating without drilling big holes into your wall, I am 100% recommended 3M claw drywall picture hanger because they'll definitely make decorating so much easier. The next home update I want to talk about are these beddings. They're from Gata. They're actually my dream bedding that I've been wanting for so long. I almost got the dupe, but then they reached out and they were like, hey, we want to send you 2 sets, so pick out whatever you want. And I got this one. This is called Big Wave in the color Ivory, and it costs about $300, which I was a little scared to splurge, but then they reach out anyway, so it's kind of perfect. As for the other set, I got this gorgeous blue stripe, and I'm literally in love with it since now it's summer, and it can be really hot because my window is like right there. So these are literally perfect for it because it's so lightweight, but the material is still really good. But also behind me, I got 2 new pillows. I actually made a video about it, but these are from Urban Outfitter and they're literally the cutest and the comfiest. At first, I have 4 pillows on here, but they can feel a little crowded, so these pillows are literally the perfect size for them. And also behind me, actually I don't really remember if I show you guys in my last video if I did any of these, but I want to go through them with you guys. This is by far my favorite gallery wall art because every frame are different materials. So we have the oak frame and then we have the birch frame, frameless, black frame on the Miffy, and then we have the Yoshito Monara skateboard. This one right here, it said please have a seat, and it's by Danny and Desenio, and I got it from Miami whenever I was there to visit Danny. And then the top one on all the way on the right, and this one is made by my friend Brave Birdie. She's so talented, it's insane. This one is actually a painting that I have over there that oh my god, she gifted to me and I literally cried. But yeah, so now I have her artwork on here, and then I have the Miffy clock. I actually made a video about it on TikTok and Instagram, and I decided to put it up here because I feel like it's perfect for this gallery wall art with like all of the characters. As for the Yoshito Monara skateboard, I got this from Mercari for $290, which is like a little more expensive than the original price, but since it's already out of stock like for a really long time now on MoMA, and so I think it's a really good price. And then I was lucky enough to find the second one because these are sets. I found the second one on StockX for I believe $350, but since these are collectibles, I feel like they'll be appreciated in value since these are limited edition. But trust me, I will never ever sell these baby. I love Nara so much. I actually have a tattoo of the drummer girls, the 3 drummer girls on my arm. You actually can't really see it, but and also look what I also have, the drummer girl figurines that my friend got me. It's so cute. It's literally me. And then the book is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's it for the update. Oh, actually, the fan. The fan is a new addition to my home. I got this from Doc's Vintage because I feel like they're perfect for me since I grew up in Vietnam and we used to have these fans like literally everywhere in the house, so it kind of feels like home. Also, it's really freaking hot. in Texas. So ignore my messy table, but I want to show you guys a few things that I've recently got. I traded with someone on Facebook Marketplace and I got this little Nyota, and she gave me a free one, which love her so much. And then on here I recently also got a cassette, a Miffy cassette. So yeah, I think they're just gonna stay on this table since it's like literally perfect. This character name is Hirono, like these little guys right here, and I found it at Popmart for 30 bucks, and these has been sold out for so long, and so whenever I saw it, I immediately brought him home. Speaking about Miffy cassette player, Retrospect actually sent me their whole entire collection, and they also sent me this flip clock, and I put it on my little TV. So cute. Popmart also sent me their whole entire collection of Hironos. This is the Echo collection. This is by far my favorite collection, and I feel like leaving them right here doesn't do them justice, so I'm gonna go find a little shelf for them, or a little, I guess a little home for them. But yeah, for now they're just gonna sit here. My favorite one has to be this one because that's literally me. I'm in a suit, and that's Kobe. He's a little bear. And then my second favorite is the one in the box. Look at him. He's hiding. So cute. For the next home update, I want to show you guys a few new ceramic mugs that I got from Seattle. First thing first, I recently just got this cup yesterday. It's from Tidy and another furniture store. It has a really cool handle, which I love, and I also really like the organic kind of look. There's a little guy right there, and there's like just a bunch of colors everywhere, and I love it. We also have a few more pieces from Seattle that I got. I want to show you guys all of them. A lot of the stuff on here is actually from Seattle, but I've already shown you guys those before. But these are the 4 new pieces that I got. This one is from Osara Commissary. I got it for $30 and it's handmade in Japan. And then these 2 are from Shiga Import. I believe it's in U District. And then this one is from Higo. My favorite from this strip by far, since it's really big, and also the color and the raw texture. I actually haven't shown you guys this at all. Well, I did post a video about it on TikTok and Instagram, but I haven't shown you guys on YouTube. But I made a matcha bowl, a cha one. So cute, right? And this is the one that I made, the red one, and it has these little dent for your finger. Cute. And then Kobe made this one, which is a green one, and it has a really big dent right here for his thumb. I love it. And those are the cups update. Before ending this video, I want to make a little matcha and maybe rest for a little bit, so I just want to do a little cute outro for you guys. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for tuning in for this video. If you like my home update, please give it a like, and if you have any question about anything, just leave a comment down below. And if you want to see any more home update, hint, bathroom makeover, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let's go ahead and make our matcha and this new cha one.